I'm too slow, make me faster. Yeah, right. You are so slow, we gotta do something. Let's tune the carburetor. And remove that cap here. We may be able to make it a little bit faster. It's only a 50cc 4-stroke, but if we remove this screw, which limits the stroke of the carburetor, it should go a little faster. And now the cap goes back in. I haven't tried this before, but maybe it's a little bit faster now. Let's see if we got power and the e-start works. Yes. Last night I did the test ride without camera because it was dark, and I gotta say, it was really bad. At middle to high RPM with throttle full open, the engine died. It didn't run at all. It was like running with a lack of fuel. So let's do something else. I took that carburetor out already because it was, when running at higher RPMs, it was feeling like there wasn't enough fuel. And if that's the case, we only got two options. One is the float level is too low. But here you see when the needle starts to close, it's leveled like this. And even if this surface is not straight, everything else is straight. So you see the inlet and outlet of the carburetor is in this straight line. So 90 degrees to that, the float level should be, parallel to this, and that's the case. Here we feel when it starts to close. You don't measure like that. You measure when this spring-loaded needle starts to close, like this. And that's good. So after that, I checked the main jet. And that's a 78. And what I have found out is that this scooter should get an 85. And that's why I ordered 85 and 90. And we're gonna try. And we're gonna start with the number 85 main jet. Mount the carburetor and see if it's any better. But I suppose it will be better. Will it run better now? It's a rocket now! Pretty damn good!